Did you know parrots can talk? Well, kind of. These colorful birds mimic sounds, words, and even whole sentences. And some parrots are so good, they can mimic human voices perfectly. Just listen to this.
Hi. Hi. What's wrong? Huh?
But it's not just about talking. Parrots are super smart. They can learn tricks, solve puzzles, and even recognize their own reflection. Parrots are social animals, so they love hanging out with their humans. They form strong bonds, and yes, they might just try to talk back when you're chatting. So, if you're thinking of getting a pet, consider a parrot. They're colorful, fun, and always full of surprises. Like, share, and subscribe for more feathered fun.